Did you get her?
Yes.
Are you ticklish or am I funny looking? Oh.
Oh my gosh.
What? Oh, I'm sweaty.
It's hard work making babies laugh.
I know. You were so pink. Poke my eyeball out. Can you see yourself laugh? I love you.
I can't believe she's doing that. That's crazy. Hello.
Camera. Okay, here we go.
Well, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for making her laugh more than she's ever laughed before.
You made me so happy. And Mom